This your main man, keep it clean, Ray, coming back with another video. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. My man contract over with Nike. But when I saw images of the Kyrie 8, man, the crazy thing about it, I thought these were gonna be the Kyrie 9. But the one that came out last year is the Kyrie Infinity or something like that. I ain't feeling it. I had the 7s. 7s was cool. They were cool, you know what I'm saying? I like them joints. Y'all seen the video. I like the black and blue pair. But yeah, these the 8s, man. I got them. Man, contract with council. As we speak, look what's on my feet. My man contract was canceled. So it's gonna be hard for y'all to get some of these Yeezys, my man. It's gonna be hard. Y'all better go and start picking them up off on these resale sites. I probably never go Flight Club Stadium Goods. I ain't really high on stock getting like that. Not when it comes to Jordan and Yeezy. For some reason, I'm just not. That's just me. If it's some other stuff, yeah. But anyway, they died. Here you go. I untied them, I unlaced them, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna tell y'all where I got them from. I unlaced them, I had to put them on feet. I'm gonna be real with you. When I put these things on feet, they felt good. They felt real good. It's a shame, I was about to curse. It's a shame that we didn't get the full potential of this sneaker. It's a shame. Because this might be, in my opinion, the nicest looking Kyrie shoe they done dropped. It might be. Like, I'm talking about, look at all the little detail. You know what I'm saying? All this little good stuff. You know what I'm saying? All this little good stuff. All the little details in the sneakers. Man, think about it. It's just a black, basically a black and white shoe. Okay, they threw a little turquoise, a little green in there. But it's basically like a black, white shoe. A little gray and all that. That really ain't my feng shui when it comes to sneakers. I kind of like some either all white or some colors. I ain't really no black guy. It's crazy that I'm black and blue Yeezys, but I had to get them that royal blue, dazzling blue, whatever you want to call it. I had to get that on feet. But I'm gonna be real. I don't know if I should even hoop in these. Normally I hoop in stuff like these. I'm trying to think, should I hoop in them? Or should I just collect them and just kind of hold on to them and say, hey man, I got Kyrie last signature shoe with Nike. That's wild. Like I got the Zions and stuff. I see the little, wait a second. You see that Zoom Strobel. That's what they got in them Zions. I've been hooping in them Zions faithfully. And I will say they're awesome. So for y'all non-believers, grab y'all some of them shoes and hoop in. I mean, they good for guys on my side. I'm actually about 6'5". I really don't weigh myself. Last time I weighed myself, I was 227, but we know weight fluctuate up and down. So today, while we filming this video, I do not know how much I weigh. And nor do I care. All you gotta do is put in the work. If your clothes feel good on you, they fit right, you breathe them right, then we good. You know what I'm saying? I put in that work. But yeah, back to the shoes though. What y'all think about these, man? Nike needs to go and do us that one, honestly. They need to go and do us that one. All the colors they was gonna bring out in these, they need to go ahead and make them. These look like kind of like a mixture of, they kind of like the low Kyrie. It's like they said, man, instead of doing the Kyrie 7 and the Kyrie 5, we just gonna do Kyrie 8. That's what this seemed like to me, and they did it right. I like the big Nike swoosh. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad they ain't do no backwards Nike swoosh to try to mimic Travis Scott stuff. Or let's go basketball terminology, OG Dennis Rodman stuff. But nah, this is cool stuff, man. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. I'm putting on feet for y'all. I ain't even gonna do no performance. I feel like I'm violating because I got on Adidas socks. But guess what? Adidas and Nike don't care. They in contracts of successful people. The Kyrie line was a successful line. They cater towards kids. Kids love sneakers, all that good stuff. The Yeezys, this ain't no Yeezy video, but since I got them on the Yeezy, to me, they were like the only line that can actually compete with Jordan. Regardless of Jordan line winning, they the only one that kind of shook up the game a little bit. Because at one point, Jordan was sitting on shelves and Yeezys was selling out. And everybody know that. But yeah, these are dope, man. These are dope. They feel good on feet. I ain't gonna lie. I want to hoop them. I want to hoop them. I do want to hoop in these. Yeah, check them out. Check them out. This ain't a basketball court, so can't really let y'all hear that little goddamn basketball. Squeak, squeak. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, these are dope. These are dope, man. Let's go and take them on. Let me get back to my Yeezys. Put those back on. Yeezy 350. You just gotta go a size up, or I mean a half size up. And they fit great. What y'all think, man? Should I hoop in these or should I just hold them? I really don't care to flip them. I mean, somebody want to pay some more crazy money. I mean, I do that, but they just go back to some more stuff I like. But I don't know. But yeah, this been your main man. Keep it clean, right? Appreciate y'all watching my vid. I'm not gonna have my source of where I got these from. I'm just not gonna do it because I don't want to mess nobody up. Peace.